If you're still just using ChatGPT, you're missing out. 2025 is the year AI stopped being a trend and became essential. So in this video, I'm showing you 5 insane AI tools that are changing how we work, create, and live right now. First up, Perplexity AI. Think of it like ChatGPT but with Google built in. It pulls in sources live, so you don't just get answers, you get proof. Perfect for research, students, or anyone who doesn't trust AIs, just trust me bro vibes. Next is Opus Clip, and it's a lifesaver for content creators. Upload a long video, and it auto-generates TikTok-style shorts with captions, jump cuts, and even viral scoring. This is how creators are flooding your feed so fast. Then we've got Notion AI. This isn't just a note-taking app anymore, it writes summaries, generates to-do lists, and even thinks for you. Basically your second brain, but with way better memory. For creatives, check out Leonardo AI. It creates crazy good AI art. Better than Midjourney in some areas, and it's perfect for game designers, graphic artists, or anyone who wants to build a visual brand fast. And finally, Suno AI. This thing generates full songs, including vocals, in any genre. You just type a prompt. Want to rap about tech in 2025? Done. A lofi beat for your channel? Easy. So yeah, AI isn't just for coders anymore. These tools are helping creators, students, and entrepreneurs work smarter, not harder. Which one are you using? Or did I miss one? Drop it in the comments. Smash the like button if you learned something new, and subscribe to TechTray for more future tech in plain English.